Hi everyone, it's Tina with COZ Creations. Today I'm doing a piece that's inspired by COZ Creations. I will have a link for her channel in the description box. She's got some really cool, she does really cool swipes, and so you know that I like to do swipes, so I'm going to give hers a try. I think she calls it like a yin and a yang. Yeah, I really like the way she does some of her swipes, so I'm going to give it a try. So today I'm using a custom mix base paint, and mine's going to be a little bit more ocean inspired. So I have this custom mix, and what it is Payne's Gray, and these are Liquitex Basics, a little ultramarine, some Interference by Golden Blue, and that's it. Oh no, I'm sorry, and some iridescent medium. So that's what this is, okay? And it's a pretty like blue gray kind of, but darker. Anyway, that's going to be my one side, and then the other half will be white, and that's Liquitex Basics. I'm sorry, it's Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. All right, and then I'm going to swipe with my mixture of Floetrol and Amsterdam White paint, and it's an American Floetrol and Amsterdam White, and it's a 4:1 ratio, and that's what she uses. My pouring medium is just Floetrol and water. I think she uses a couple different kinds. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to put half my blue, half my white, and we'll get started here, okay? I'm just gonna put that down. Well, I'll do it on the camera, but I'm not gonna be talking, okay? Okay, so that's why I usually do this off camera, especially on a big canvas, because it's really hard to show you what I'm doing in the limited space I have right now. So I laid my colors down. You saw how I did that. All right, colors I'm going to use. I'm going to be using Color Shift Blue Flash. I'm going to be using Turquoise Blue by Liquitex Basics. and a mixture, and this is really pretty, of satin finish metallic Modern Masters metallic, what is this, Venetian blue, with some color shift white mixed into it. So just those three colors, and then I'm going to be swiping with my Floetrol, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, and that's it. And she usually, I think she swipes with paper towels, but I'm probably going to swipe with my palette knife because you know how I like to do that. And yeah, so I'm going to get started and we'll play some music for you. All right, thanks.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,